Welcome to This We Believe 2019. This is the class of 2023 Summer Writing Project. Here on the blog, we invite each of you to post your own belief statements to share with fellow incoming students. Your UMass D Believes blog posts are an opportunity for you to reflect on what it is that you care about, learn about and from one another, and join the conversation about student life at UMass Dartmouth. As you move through this blog, you'll see that the This We Believe project supports free and open discourse while embracing the university's equal opportunity and diversity policy, which means that you will likely come across opinions and perspectives that are different from yours. We ask that you write and think responsibly and in consideration of a wide and diverse population. To find out more about This We Believe, how its origins, please click on aboutumassdbelieves.com over here. Here, you can see that UMass D Believes originated from the NPR, or National Public Radio 2004 project. This project is actually still in effect for National Public Radio New England, which I've linked to down below. This, I believe, asked novelists, boxers, heroes, and lay people from all over the world to share their values in essays, and then read those essays on the radio. We link here to Amy Tan, a famous novelist, and Muhammad Ali, the boxing hero, down below. You can also access the website for NPR below here and find more essays written by others across the world. The directions for writing are available to you here. So here we ask that you consider the experiences and values that shape you. Consider your personal credos. Are there statements or values that you live by? And if so, can you explain how those values were shaped for you? We ask that you tell the story that only you can tell and that you ground your beliefs in lived experiences. This is your evidence. Your calendars should be marked, so go ahead and set reminders. Your blog post of 250 words is due by August 15th. You'll respond to one of your classmates at least by the first day of class, September 4th. And if you decide to expand on your 250-word belief statement, you can submit it to the Provost Essay Contest by August 1st. I'll talk more about that in a moment. You'll want to check out the guidelines at NPR New England and the This I Believe national website. You can also view faculty and staff submissions from previous years. In order to write your blog post, you'll want to be specific and original. And you want to think about your audience. Remember, when you post, you publish. Scroll down here for the blogging instructions. You'll notice that blog posts won't appear for more than between 24 and 48 hours, and this is because the faculty who run this blog review every single comment made. When you're ready to post, you'll head over to one of the blogging categories on the right. You can also access these by clicking on the blog link in the top menu. Here, you'll see others' comments by clicking on Comments, and when you're ready to post, you'll click here under the category that relates to you. You'll see this first comment is a test. Here, you'll copy and paste your comment in. You'll fill in your email address and your name. We ask that that you identify yourself so that the community knows who you are and because you stand behind this belief. If you're looking for ideas on what to post, head on over to the faculty and staff submissions, where you'll see This I Believe essays from faculty and administration across our campus. You can also look at the winners from the Provost Essay Contest from 2016, 2017, and 2018. And if you're interested in submitting to the Provost Essay Contest, you'll want to expand on your belief statement to make it 500 words or thereabouts and submit by August 1st. This is for cash prizes. You'll also read essays at convocation. They're recorded on video and posted around campus. It's a wonderful opportunity. If you have questions, head on over to the Q&A board. You'll find lots of your questions already answered here, including things about content and when your comment will appear. So we look forward to seeing you on the blog. And if you have questions, please feel free to contact us.